AccuGroup's 10-point quality plan. First, inbound components are inspected to guarantee conformance and quality. Products are checked against a database of reliable and up-to-date technical specifications. If a component doesn't meet our quality standards, it is recorded and removed from circulation. Our manufacturing partners are assessed against a strict approval criteria to ensure quality. Components are sorted by type and size, with validated stock levels displayed in real time online. Components are cross-referenced against designs and given a secondary inspection prior to dispatch. We use high-resolution weighing scales to count precise component quantities during dispatch. Digital copies of invoices and documentation are provided as standard. All AccuGroup orders are packaged with high-quality materials and sent by our global, trackable delivery service. AccuGroup, accustomed to accuracy. View our range of precision components at accu.co.uk.